Hi guys, it's Sarah and I'm your Canadian makeup guru. I'm going to be showing you an easy way to do your eyes and your lips in quick, easy steps. I'm going to be starting with the e.l.f. eyelid primer. And all you got to do for that is just take it and put a bit on your eyelid, on the top too, and then just rub it in. Okay, next I'm going to be taking the Pineapple of Your Eye collector set. I'm going to go for more of a nude look today. I'm going to be using this purple here, and for the brow bone I'm going to be using this one. So first we'll start out with that, and you just put the lightest color you have right there. Doesn't have to be the specific palette. And then you want to also take that and put it in your tear line there, so your eyes pop out a bit more. And then after that, I'm going to be taking this light purple shade and putting it on the eyelid. And then once you're done that eye, just do that for the other eye. Okay, and the next step I'm going to show you, I'm going to be taking a bit of a nude color right there for the crease. All you have to do is just go like that and sweep back and forth. Don't worry about the excess on the side. If you have some, get that later. Sweep back and forth. Put a little bit there. And then next I'm going to be taking this bright purple sparkly color. And I'm going to put it just on the outside, just for a bit of sparkle there. Then once you're done that, take your blending brush and just blend it all together. And then next I'm going to be using the Sex Kitten by Tarte liquid eyeliner. And I'm just going to be lining the top lid. Like that. And then just do the same for the other eye. Just try to get it as even as possible. Okay, once you're done that, you can take your eye pencil, eyeliner pencil. I'm using CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus, and just get that lower, just the line there, not anything more, just to make your eyes stand out a little bit more. See, just a tiny bit. Like that. After that, I'm going to be using Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Perfect. And for my eyebrows, I use the e.l.f. 200 Colors palette. And today I'm going to be going more of a light color, so I'm going to take this one here. Usually I go with this one, but I'm going to go with this one today. And you just take the color and just do slow brushes. Not like one giant line, because then that's gonna look weird, but just take it and do small little brushes, and then you can blend it all together. Just take it like that. See? And then do the same for the other eyebrow. Again, blend them. Voila. And then for my lips, I'm going to be using the Bite lipstick and lip liner in Chai. So you take this. This actually came with the October birthday gift set. And then you just line your lips. And then you take your lipstick. This is a mini. It's really cute. It has a little bee on there for Bite. And then you just put your lipstick on. Really love this color. It's super nice. And then voila. And that's how you do your makeup, your eyes and your lips in a few easy steps in less than 10 minutes. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.